SBFM are one of the fastest growing facilities management companies in the UK. So we operate nationwide. We run cleaning contracts for some of the biggest brands in the country. So really important that we kind of have a very strong operational model. So we currently operate a fleet of around 200 vehicles. That's made up of cars, vans, and then some more specialist vehicles. So from the very beginning, when we first reached out to Vantage for the quotes on the vans, we weren't entirely sure what vehicles we wanted. We knew what we needed, but we didn't know what vehicles matched up with that. So we really relied on the expertise and the advice that we were given. Stuart was our main contact at Vantage, and he was absolutely fantastic. The level of service that we received from him really gave us the confidence that we were picking a partner that could be a long-term and sustainable solution for us. So the process was absolutely seamless. So the support and the service that we got really helped us in making that transition. Getting 48 drivers out of their old vehicles into a new vehicle isn't as simple as it may seem. So having the livery installed on the vehicles, Stuart gave us a lot of support and in the logistics and organising it, and then also in the telematics. So it was really critical to us that no vans went out to the drivers without the telematics installed. And I was a little bit concerned at the beginning about how that was going to work logistically, but Stuart was very cool, calm and collected, and just kind of gave me that seamless process to follow. Safety is so important for us, and we want to make sure that our drivers are always driving safely. Having that detail on speeding, acceleration, braking has really helped. But also idling, that's one thing that we hadn't really done anything about before, but we can now see the idling stats. So pair that with the MPG that the Proace cities do, that's how we've started to see that dramatic decrease in kind of cost saving on fuel. So the warranty and the roadside assistance were two really big contributing factors. Downtime for us is critical. We're serving our clients and we have to make sure that we're constantly providing them with an exceptional service. The average driver is doing around 30,000 miles a year. So knowing that if anything went wrong with the vans, we could instantly get into a main dealer. We would have that roadside assistance so that they could get back on the road as quickly as possible. Definitely, again, just gave us that reassurance that we were making that correct decision. We're growing very, very quickly as an organisation, so it's really important that we're always looking at, can we be doing that better, and is there a better and more efficient way of operating? So we're in talks about the 2-litre Proace as a higher spec vehicle for some of our more specialist roles. And then we're also discussing about the hybrid options for the Corollas to look at kind of diversifying away from just vans and also looking at the cars. Obviously, we've got ambitious ESG goals that we want to start meeting. And we really feel that the Corolla hybrid option is going to be kind of the first step in that, but still giving the mileage and the range that we need, but a little bit of a better and greener option.